Okay, everybody, we got some more bearish bias, and we got a signal here on the Beast and also the NQ. The NQ triggered already. The trigger for the NQ was, let me blow this up, 39.33 and 3/4. It triggered off of this candle here. Here's the trigger candle that gave us the signal, and this is the entry candle. So now we have a nice little profitable trade here. And we had some entries off of the Viper, the scalping system. Here's the NQ. Here's the trigger candle. This entry is valid 6 candles from the entry candle. So 1, 2, 3. Fourth candle is when it triggered, and you're able to scalp that. And now we have a signal here on the YM. It did not trigger, but the entry is 158.59. So again, let's let the markets unfold. Let the dark pools tell us what's happening, and we'll see how the rest of this afternoon plays out. Okay, the crude oil Viper triggered. The entry was 28.51. We're still NQ Beast short. The ES Beast short just triggered at 18.36. And the YM Viper scalping system triggered at 158.59. We got sell programs kicking in with the dark pools, so they're in our favor. Let me adjust this a little bit more so it's easier for everyone to see. There we go. So we made new lows in the dark pool internals. We made new lows in the dark pool futures. We got a sell program. And then as I mentioned earlier in the room this morning, as long as we're stuck within this range, I'm going to be scalping off of the Viper. You could have scalped some ticks off of the NQ. But as long as we stay in this range, that's my plan of action for today. We do have the dark pools in our favor. The ES did not trigger yet. We got a fresh signal here on the YM to go short at 158.54. That one did not trigger. If you missed the first one, you can get in off of the second one if it triggers. We're in neutral market right now. As long as we don't start getting some strong buy programs kicking in, having a neutral market is okay. It's just they're just taking a little bit of a rest with the downward pressure. The ES and the YM has triggered. Sell programs confirming these entry points. Everything looks good. We got the wind in our sails, so everything looks good. Okay, everybody. These Viper trades are working out great. The ES Beast is working out great. And the NQ is working out great. We took out that neckline on this descending triangle. We got sell programs confirming everything. Again, we have the wind to our backs, just like I mentioned earlier, because we had the dark pools in favor of our entry signals. Okay, manage your trade accordingly. With the NQ, here was the trigger, 39.28. You can trail it down by following the candles down. These are 2-minute candles. Remember, the Viper's off of a 2-minute candles. So you can trail it down. Same thing with the ES. You can move your stop now. There's no reason to take a flat on this trade. Same thing with the YM. We got the dark pool internal still selling off. We got sell programs. We still have the dark pool information in our favor, so there's no reason to get spooked out of these trades. Just trail price action down. Move your stops. A good spot for the NQ would be right here at 39.12 and a quarter. For the ES, 18.33 and 3/4. And for the YM, you can move it down to 158.39. These are suggestions, but again, we have the dark pools in our favor. Sell programs kicking in. The Beast and the Viper are in sync with the direction, so that gives you more confidence in these trades.